In a previous video, we walked through the process of setting up a subcontract for $500,000 against this project, the Marriott Courtyard. Now we've received our first bill against that subcontract. So you'd go to Commitments, you'd find the subcontract, in this example SC0035. You'd click the Actions button and select Create Subcontract Bill. We'd select our transaction date, our posting period, and we'd scroll down to the schedule of values, and in AI format, we can enter the work completed as period, materials presently stored, or completed to date from a percentage perspective. In this example, they billed us 100% for the form work. That creates a $125,000 bill against our total contract value, and if we scroll to the right, we can see that it's withholding $12,500 in retention, or 10%. We can also adjust this amount. So if we only wanted to withhold 5% retention, we could do that. I'm going to keep this at 10. If you look at the bottom, you can see the total summarized, $125,000, total completed and stored, $12,500 retention. If there's any taxes, we can withhold that as well. Now we want to upload a lien waiver for the amount that was billed. So I'm going to select Conditional Progress, click Save. Now this is going to bill $125,000 against the job. You can see there's approximately $387,000 balance on the subcontract. And if we scroll over to the budget, we now see that there's $125,000 committed costs against a $500,000 budget. In the next video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a payment against the bill.